Today, we'll be looking at Microsoft Stream on SharePoint Video Analytics feature. Now, I'm currently on Microsoft Stream on SharePoint, and what I'll do is select a video that will present me the analytics that I'm looking for in that particular video. Now, I've clicked on it, video in a new tab launched, which is good. And what you'll do is to the right pane, you'll see analytics. Once you click on that, it will provide you with the analytics view. Now, for this particular video, I had a total of 3 viewers, 27 views. Below, it gives you the last 7, 30, or 90 days view. Same for viewers. You can always change this. Let's say I'm going for 30 days and 30 days for viewers. So for this particular month, which is the month of February, because it was uploaded that period, at the most view and viewership, right? Still within the month. Now, all you need to do is hover over the timeline, and it will tell you exactly what's happening at each point. Same for the viewers as well. Now, you'll notice that today, February 27th, there's a lot of views. And the reason why I did that was to primarily simulate a variation of viewership retention by skipping through and stopping the video playback at different intervals. And what that does is, over to the screen itself, as you can see, different percentage of retention is calculated. So this provides you with a view or overlay of the analytics during the video playback. This gives a view of how well your video is doing in certain areas and contexts of the video itself. And that intelligence can allow you to adjust, refine as needed. And that is pretty much how you would actually look at the analytics for videos that are on stream on SharePoint. I hope this was informative for you. Have a good one.